provide 1 lakh crore for aggregators, FPOs, primary agriculture cooperative societies, farmer producer organizations which I mentioned, FPOs, all for strengthening the farm gate infrastructure. Farm gate infrastructure are cold chains, post-harvest management infrastructure, storage centers, yards from where they have to do it. So this fund for 1 lakh crore is being created. Here private entrepreneurs, agricultural entrepreneurs, startups, all of whom are now looking at facilitating by procuring from the farmers and reaching out with value addition to the global markets, don't have the infrastructure. So this fund for 1 lakh crore will immediately address that issue, and that fund will be created at the earliest.
हमारा किसान बाढ़ हो, बारिश हो, तूफान हो, आंधी हो, अपना पसीना बहाकर 137 करोड़ भारतीयों का पेट तो भरता ही है, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ एक्सपोर्ट करने में मदद करता है। लेकिन भंडारण की कमियां होने के कारण कई बार और मूल्य संवर्धन के अवसर न होने के कारण कमी रह जाती थी। उस कमी को पूरा करने के लिए 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए का कृषि आधारभूत ढांचा बनाने के लिए ये योजना लाई गई है, जिसमें चाहे कोल्ड चेन हो या फसल कटाई के बाद प्रबंधन करने के लिए जो भी सुविधाएं वैल्यू चेन के लिए बनानी है वो उसमें बनाई जाएंगी, और इससे लाभ मिलेगा मूल्य संवर्धन के लिए भी, भंडारण की क्षमता बढ़ाने के लिए भी, और कुल मिलाकर किसान की आय को भी इसमें बढ़ोतरी मिलेगी। और भारत न केवल अपनी मांग को पूरी कर पाएगा, एक्सपोर्ट करने में भी इसकी आने वाले समय में बहुत मदद मिलेगी। और ये जो है इसका जो लाभ होगा वो प्राइमरी एग्रीकल्चर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज हो, फार्मर प्रोड्यूस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हो जो किसान उत्पादक संघ हैं, या कृषि उद्यमी हो, स्टार्टअप्स हो, एग्रीगेटर्स हो जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कृषि के क्षेत्र में लाते हैं, ये सब इनके माध्यम से आधारभूत ढांचा कृषि के क्षेत्र में उनके फार्म गेट पर खड़ा किया जाएगा ताकि इन सुविधाओं का लाभ मिल सके, और इस फंड को जल्दी क्रिएट करके शुरुआत की जाएगी।
The next of the 8 steps towards capacity building, logistics and so on is for food enterprises who are micro in size. We shall be providing a fund of 10,000 crores. It's a scheme which will get executed with a cluster-based approach. I recall Prime Minister Modi when he spoke on the 12th of May, speaking about be vocal for local. This is one of the ways in which the local capacities, the local value-added product can have a global outreach, can reach out for global markets and build brands. They can create products of global standards, and therefore marketing them globally will also be assisted through this fund. Most of the products that we are aiming to deal with in this scheme will be related to health and wellness products, nutritional products, herbal products, organic products, and products which are now being used as alternatives for a healthy living. So this we expect will benefit 2 lakh MFEs, micro food enterprises. 2 lakh of them will benefit by bringing them up to that level, modernizing their production techniques, giving them capacities, branding their produce and so on. But because it's going to be cluster based, I would want to broadly give you a picture of what we are aiming at. Let us say if it is Bihar, makhana is considered to be one of the very nutritious food without any calorie concerns. One can always use it as a snack. And therefore in Bihar the cluster would aim at makhana cluster. Kashmir would aim at kesar, saffron cluster. Karnataka can have ragi and coarse grains, which is today considered to be the most healthiest alternative for gluten-rich wheat and rice. So the northeast will have bamboo shoots and organic fruits. Telangana can have turmeric. We are only suggesting this because turmeric latte is a big thing outside, milk made out of whipping cream and turmeric. So turmeric is rich in this country. There can be clusters formed. And Andhra can do chilies, Tamil Nadu can do tapioca, sago, and whole lot of other things. I'm just giving examples. So the cluster-based is going to focus on those organic and herbal materials or nutritional and health-conscious, wellness-related food items in which India has a great strength. So this particular micro-fund enterprises, which will have 10,000 crores given by the government, will aim at branding and promoting such clusters. The focus will be on women. Focus will be on SC and STs. Focus also, where possible, will be on aspirational districts.